Okay. Here we go. Yes. It's already late, but I need to do this. We need to do this. It's been a long time. So where was I? Where we were. Okay. Fair enough. Okay, like this size, this is good. Let's rename this. Let's make this P8. Now let's go in here and let's do, so what's this R? Wow. Let's update by nvim. Let's synchronize. Let's install whatever is missing. Let's clean up. Let's give it a little time while I'm responding some chats. Okay, I need to confirm this thing. So we should be good now. I don't like this to be too intrusive though. What do you mean? Cannot find module React? Or its corresponding declaration type. I think I need to troubleshoot this. Okay, so I need to review again. I need to check Django and ReactJS. Let's see what can I do now. Let's create one for Django and another one for React. Let's go to D. Let's create the environment. I mean the virtual virtual environment. Okay, now let's install Django. Now let's see. Yes, this is the one. Let's see if I remember everything. So my project is gonna be whatever. a library. Acme, that's good. Then I go to Acme, I say python.manage and start up persons, no, books, customers, no, authors, what else? Let's see, let's start with that. Let's start with it. So let's go into the things. Let's add my applications, which are authors, books, okay, we got that. Now let's see. Now that I have this, I will continue with the books models, which gonna be the book, model, no, let's say it has a title, it has a length of, say, 200. It's this. What the F is this? What do you mean? I don't want to travel. Oh, I got it now. Interesting. So I will be giving some talks. I don't know who I'm talking to. Who's... I can't believe that universities in my country doesn't know how to use an email address. Even though they are really bad, they really suck using even WhatsApp. Alright, let's go. So we have the title, which is part of the book. We also need to have the year, the published date, which is gonna be the date field. Seems about simple. Now let's do this for authors. And this will be models. Model is gonna be first name, which is gonna be string field. Does this work? No, I don't think so. Text field. Yeah, it works, but it's not an open text field. Let's make it like this. Pretty easy, pretty simple. This is gonna be the author profile. So now we will say here a book has authors. Many to many. Okay, this is it. Now let's verify. Let's go to here. One moment. Now let's see if this works. So I will try to create. Wait. Oh, wow! It's failing. So I'm doing something wrong. Okay, what I'm doing wrong here? No module name author's box. That seems to be no. What you talking about, bro? Is this working? This is failing. So something is wrong here. Let's see. I see, I'm sorry. Now we should be able to do something, but there's a problem here. Circular imports. So what's wrong over here? What's something is not working here, and I don't know why. So what's the problem? Cannot import author from partially initialized module books.models. Circular. Okay, this is not like this. This is author models. What? Oh. Now you're happy? No, not happy. Yeah, kind of. Related table. Okay, now we're good. So let's see. Show migrations. There is no migrations. My migrations seems about right. Migrate. So we have this now. Now let's see. Let's enable this because I'm gonna need my Python manage shell. I'll need that. Okay, now I have this. Let's do the administration page. Okay, so that would require for us to be a class. Let's see. What's this? Book admin models admin and register admin. Okay, I need some help. Model admin. So I need to import the models. Oops. No, we'll need some time, I'm sorry. Okay. So I have this from models, import, book. No. Yes, books, book. Here we have book. That's it. Models. Very good. Now we do here is admin authors. Similar, we do author admin pass for now. Register what? From models import. Migrations. Let's see if there is something to be created. There is nothing over there, so let's run. Okay, let's see. But I need to create an admin. So for this matter, I will do manage create super user. Dennis. Oh. Let's see. Okay, we are able to do things here. We have authors, books. Let's see. Now that this is working, I need to test this from the shell. So for that matter, I will do imports from. Let's create authors first. From authors models import author. So let's create the author one, which is gonna be author, and the first name is gonna be Pepito. Last name is gonna be Perez. I want save. Let's verify. Yeah, we got that one. Let's say another one first. Name's gonna be Pancho Tisa. And another one which is gonna be, okay, let's do it. This one is gonna be Pancho Panza. Okay, now let's import from books, models, import book. So let's create a book 1, and now we'll say it is title, boom. Can I save? Oh, published date. So how to handle date fields here? Models, date field. Time zone, now, date. Time zone, now, date. Time zone, now, date. So this is new for me. Django utils. What? From Django utils import time zone. So I want to see time zone, now, date. What's this? Okay, this works somehow. Publish date's gonna be time zone, now, date. Does this work? Yes, it works. Yeah, but what about to add things like the authors? Oh, it worked. What about this? Okay, let's see if that works. So this is books, book, authors. And yeah, we have the relationships. So what if I can do, I mean, B1. Yeah, we have something there. It's an object, iterable. It's a manager factory. Cool. So I should be able to iterate this. What about this? It's an object that I need to iterate. Okay, I'll figure it out later. Okay, seems fair enough. Let's jump straight forward to... Wait, what is this? Okay, I need to do some objects, some testings. So, what's this now? I got all the objects. Get ID 1, 2, This should fail. Yes. What about filter? Filter name equal Pepito. First name. Wait, what? First name. Last name. Has no attribute. So first name I want it to be Pepito. Should be Perez, the last name. Yeah, and I got one object. So what if I do this? Will it show me something? Yeah, I got one. Tos, nothing. Pancho, object 2. Query set. So it tells me all my objects. So what to do with this? This is my object. Okay, fair enough. Can I see them? What is this? Wait, authors, books, authors. What is this? Oh, I don't have the string. I don't have the. So we have 3 objects. Django doesn't know how to have an alias for each object, so I don't have the string here, so that's why we are seeing object 3, object 2, object 1 instead of the nice alias. So you can see, all right, it's working. Good. Now let's look a little bit into the React. Create my app using template TypeScript. Oh my god, this will take some time. In the meantime, let's review ReactJS code. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, we need to create the interface, which is going to be the properties for my components. Somehow that's mandatory. Here it's creating a button. If I click on the button, I will see the loading thing. Then we are creating a form. So let's see what exactly is this thing. It's using Tailwind to define, to create some classes. So it's gonna be using the class name. So what happens when I do onClick? What's the event? Where this button is being used, actually. So we have the button, we're defining stuff. We have this example form where we can see the button is being used. So the event is going to be simulate an API call. That seems interesting. If I click, we will see the loading icon. Once we are done, we will see the success confirmation message. Is this done already? Yes, it is. So let's go to my app. Let's create the source. Let's do this like Pro TS6. Okay, TS6. Nice. So I will need. No, I don't. I need to do this from my mind, from memory. So let's import React from React. Let's start with this. Yes, this is it. Now let's define interface bottom props. Yes. Sure, then it's gonna be React. What? React node. Then let's have the is loading boolean. Yep. It's and then let's do disable boolean. Okay. Type. We have options. Button. Submit. What else? Reset. And then we have the onClick. What is this like that? Why? So we are passing a function here. It's gonna be void. How to pass the function? How would define this property? Is a function. We say event React mouse what? Event mouse what? HTML button element. Okay, so we have the properties now. Now let's create a component. Let's create a component. It's gonna be fun. So I'm learning ReactJS. I'm doing this like a kid. React, what? FC. I don't know what's that. What's that for? Button props. Wait, what I'm doing wrong. Okay, and then we specify things inside. No. Here are the properties to be passed, and then we say this, and we have the component here. Yes, that's right. That's right. Okay, let's see if this is correct. FC button props. Yes, that's correct. Yes, we are on the way. Now let's pass the properties here. Children will be the input parameter that we need to receive. Is loading. Then we will have a default value which is going to be false. We will have disable, which is going to be false by default. We have type, which will have a button as default. And lastly but not least, last but not least, on-click event as it is. And that's it. We're sending everything in as parameters. Right. Now, let's use these things. Let's see. We will create a button as the term. Okay. Now this button is gonna have some configurations in there. So whatever the label of the button is, we'll put it here. But so we need something before that. If it's loading, we will see the text loading, which means it's loading, and then we see we do this or we do that, depending on, let's see, what about here? So whatever the label of the button is, we show it here. But if it's loading, then we say it's loading. But how? Just loading text. That's it. On click. Okay. So the button has properties. Type. No, wait. Type is gonna be type. Also, it has a class name, but I will not use that. It has the on click. Disable will be disable or is loading. So wait. It is declare but never use. So the children is declare but never use. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. No need for this to have. Okay, let's see if I can do something with this. failing. It is failing. Okay, something is wrong here. So we need a label over here. Span. Let's use a span. Yes. Seems about to be okay. Most events. So probably it was like this. Yeah, now it's working. It is working, yes. Now let's create a dummy form where we basically need submit form example. Form example. This will require not things inside, no input parameters. So this will be like this. Yeah, so now we gotta use the states, which means these two it's gonna be use state by default false. Okay. Then we will define the handle submit and this will be where we do something once the button has been clicked. Okay, first of all we say set is loading, we change it to true, and then we do a set timeout. Set timeout. So here we will define an empty arrow function, and then once this times out, we will say set is loading false. We will trigger an alert. Yeah. Run, baby. And we will give it 2 seconds. Okay, and then we finally need to return something. So we will say we create a button that says submit this. And then we will pass some parameters to the button where we need to say that the is loading is loading and on click. We send the function that will do something. It is handle submit. So that is it. Now let's see what errors we have. Set is loading. The set timeout is good. Set is loading. This time it's gonna be false. And then we trigger an alert. Okay, what is wrong here? Set is loading seems to be wrong. Seems not to be good. React user state boolean false. User state. It is good. Oh, I see. Okay, it's a bunch of things. Okay, that makes the difference now. Now let's see how to import this. Import form example from Acme. Does this work? No, doesn't work. Why? What about now? Okay, this is simply not working for me. No. Don't do that. Okay, this is another thing. Now we are good. Now we are good. It's just a matter for me now to do this. Okay. And now we say for example. And we click submit. 1, 2. Good. Yes, that's our first component. Yeah. No ChatGPT, bros. That's my first component. And I really hate this being folded. I want to unfold everything. Close all folds. How to open all of them? R. Alright, there. Oh, alright, there. Alright, everything that is saved, this, it folds back. Okay, it's working. That's good. That's how I wanted to test, practice myself. Very good. We are making progress. That's the good thing. Need to go. Bye bye.